was expecting that to look a lot better.
Okay, guys, so today is a day full of side quests I want to try to get done. So I've got some stuff for the PW. I've also got this, which is a 04 Diablo, I believe. It's either 04, 03, something like that. I don't know all the exact specs on it, but I've never used this gun. It was my cousin's gun. Started leaking stuff on me. So I've got some balls, and I've got some Teflon tape and stuff over here. It had a huge leak in it, so I'm going to try to fix that. And that's what this first video is going to be. It's just going to be one small video. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to work on the PW.
So I know the guy who worked on this thing last time, well, was a little rushed, but come on, man. You know what the crazy part was? He was an Australian fella. And, you know, Australians, you know, are kind of cool and all. But this guy literally just made the gun worse. Oh dang, let me fix this real quick. Alright, so pretty much everything has been re-greased. Redid all the fittings, all this other stuff. Went through, kind of greased up a few of the O-rings and stuff like that because I know a lot of them are not holding. I put air into it. All the air went out because I forgot this thing needs a battery to hold air. Stupid design, but it is what it is. So I got to get air, battery, all that stuff, and I'll hopefully get this thing tested soon. So now I'm going to record a video with another project, and then I'll get back to this probably another day.
Alright, so I started this video a while back. It was a side quest, as I called it. This is my 04 Diablo. Like I said, I started this video a while back. Didn't know exactly what was wrong with it. I thought I could fix it with grease and stuff. But what ended up happening was I needed new, pretty much bushings in the entire thing. So what I did was basically right here, where like the gas and everything goes for it, need bushings right there. So I replaced them. The back bushing that was goes up against this needed to be replaced. So I did that. New battery. Got this dialed in. Removed the chip. So I'm in tournament mode right now. So I thought tournament mode would just be the best option for me because it gives me full automatic, which is not a crazy full automatic, but it's still a full automatic. And I can sit there and shoot it off crazy. And I figured that'd be good for just around here where I'm going to be playing at. And then down here, so there's two screws on the bottom. And I don't know if you guys can see them because I'm holding the camera a weird way. But basically, the bolts should be like this. They were like this. So the last guy who worked on it messed that up. I've got two bolts in there. They seem to be holding good. It seems like it's holding pretty steady, but they still seem to back themselves out a little bit. So I did put two zip ties on right there, a heavy duty one and then a smaller one, just in case. I don't know if you guys can see these big mosquitoes, but I've already shot this thing a little bit today. Now I'm just tuning it and stuff a bit, getting it pretty good. The guy who helped me, I think we're shooting at 250 right now. And he said the cap for the place that I'm playing at or plan to play at is a 280, I believe. I think that's what he said. But I'm going to get this thing loaded up. I've got some cans actually y'all are sitting on right now. We got some cans. I'm going to go out. Oh, I forgot I had a hole in my pants. Whoops. Let's see. There we go. So I'm going to go get some paintballs. Actually, I got them. They're up there. Going to do that. Hook up my tank. Get this thing all loaded. I'll probably take a little screw or something with me to adjust it. Kind of play with it a little bit more. And yeah, I think I've got me a pretty good gun. And if you guys want to see more paintball stuff, let me know, since from what I was told, the gentleman that was there at the paintball place that I was playing at, older gentleman, he lost his mind when he saw this gun. Apparently this is like a holy grail for some people, or like, you know, it's like one of those, it's like, oh, it's an old gun, this was like one of the top of the lines and this year and this year. And he's like, he started reminiscing and stuff with it. And he said he just finished him a retro like this, which I can't believe this is considered retro because when I was growing up, this is just what the paintball guns always looked like to me. So that's crazy. But if you guys want to see the old school take on some new school stuff, let me know. I would definitely be really, really happy to post some more paintball content. All right, so I'm out here at the garden. I believe I got me a pretty good little test range set up. I don't know how far back I want to start shooting these things at, but I'll try to get some clips of like shooting and stuff. It's just a little hard doing it one-handed, and I do want to try practice using 2 fingers and see if I'm a middle finger and ring finger guy or a middle finger and pointer finger guy.
Well, I didn't record a whole lot of shooting, sadly, but I mean, it looks like Papa Smurf had fun out here though. There's a few paintballs and stuff watching there. I just started shooting randomly at the end. I wanted to test the full auto and all that. And I mean, it seems like it does pretty good and it fires really well. It still has a little bit of like where it goes off to one side a little. So I kind of played with it a little. There's a lot of paintballs over here. I'm not stuck on them. Kind of just aimed for this, and I mean, you can see it kind of it's in that general area. Had a few that were lower, a few that went off to the side and high, but nothing too crazy. But I mean, for you guys who are wondering how hard this thing hits, that's a dent in the seafoam can, and then that's a dent in a brake cleaner can. So yeah, this thing hits pretty hard.
I believe I've got myself a pretty good ripper right here. I'll get a mask and stuff. Oh, I have a mask and stuff. I'll get a mask and stuff. I'll try to hook up the old GoPro and stuff, and see if I get some time playing on the field and post it for y'all. Hopefully this video will actually come out before like a lot of the other videos, like the welding one. It's just a short one, so I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want to see more paintball stuff, let me know, because cars and everything ain't my only passion. I also like other things too, so